Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dadwal Chemistry Lessons. Our topic for today is nomenclature of different families of organic compounds. So, hydrocarbons are the compounds of hydrogen and carbons. These can be categorized into two groups: saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. For example, when N is equal to 1, the hydrocarbon is methane, CH4. C2H6 is ethane, C3H8 is propane, C4H10 is butane, C5H12 is pentane, C6H14 is hexane. So, the word root for the number of carbon atoms and the primary suffix "ane" gives the name of the hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into alkenes and alkynes. Compounds containing double bond will be called alkenes. For them, the general formula is CnH2n. For example, is called ethene. This is the IUPAC name, where eth is for the word root and ene is the primary suffix. In common system, it is called ethylene. Similarly, 3 carbon atoms is called propene, IUPAC name, and common name is propylene. And butene can be but1-ene, which is in common system called alpha-butylene. Similarly, when the double bond is placed at carbon number 2, it's called but2-ene, and in common system it is called beta-butylene. Alkynes have the general formula CnH2n minus 2. The IUPAC name will be for 2 carbon atoms ethyne, for 3 propyne, for 4 it will be butane, and a 4 carbon atom compound with triple bond at the second carbon will be called but2-ine. Whereas in the common system of nomenclature, CH triple bond CH is called acetylene. Similarly, this compound will be called methyl acetylene. This is ethyl acetylene, and this one is dimethyl acetylene. The carbon atoms, depending upon the number of carbon atoms to which a particular carbon atom is attached, can be categorized into primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary carbon atoms. For example, this carbon is attached to only one more carbon atom, so it's primary carbon. This one is attached to 2, so it's secondary carbon atom. This is 3 degree or tertiary carbon atom because it's attached to 3 carbon atoms. This one is 4 degree because it's attached to 4 carbon atoms. This is secondary because it's attached to 2, and this is primary carbon atom. Alkyl groups. An alkane minus 1 hydrogen gives a alkyl group. Now, depending upon the removal of hydrogen, we can have different types of alkyl groups. For example, when hydrogen is removed from primary carbon atom, the alkyl group is called normal alkyl group. So this is a 3 carbon alkyl groups, it's called normal propyl group. Similarly, if secondary carbon loses a hydrogen, then the alkyl group so formed is called secondary alkyl group, or it can also be called isopropyl group. In case of isobutane, hydrogen can be lost from this primary carbon atom, then it is called isobutyl group. And if the hydrogen is lost from this tertiary carbon atom, then it's called a tertiary butyl group. It's also called neobutyl group. It is derivatives of hydrocarbons. We have different derivatives of hydrocarbon. For example, when a hydrogen is replaced with halogen, hydrocarbons that are formed are called alkyl halides. The general formula is CnH2n plus 1 X, where X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. The IUPAC system of naming is that these halogen atoms are named as substituents and prefix is used for them. So the name of this compound will be chloromethane because it's a 1 carbon compound. This one will be called bromoethane. This one will be called 2-chloropropane because it's a 3 carbon compound. Then next group is alcohols. The general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. An atom compound, so the word root will be meth. Then because there are single bonds, then we add the primary suffix "ane", and OL is used for the functional group OH. So the name becomes methanol. Then this compound will be called ethanol. This will be called propane 1-ol. This will be called propane 2-ol. Then this will be called butane 1-ol, and this one will be called butane 2-ol. While numbering of the carbon chain, that carbon will be given preference which is closer to the functional group. Whereas in common system, for naming these compounds, this will be called methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, normal propyl alcohol, secondary propyl alcohol. This will be called normal butyl alcohol. This will be called secondary butyl alcohol because OH is attached to a secondary carbon atom. Ether or alkoxy alkanes. Ethers are functional isomers of alcohols because the molecular formula is same and the functional group is different. The general formula is that two alkyl groups are attached on either side of oxygen. So example for CH3OCH3 will be called methoxymethane. So this is the parent carbon atom, parent compound, and this is the substituent which will be called methoxymethane. This is methoxyethane. This is called methoxypropane. Whereas in common system of nomenclature, we just name the alkyl groups and then ether is used as suffix for oxygen. So this will be called dimethyl ether in common system. This is called ethyl methyl ether. E comes first in English alphabets series, so ethyl is named first. Then this will be called methyl propyl ether. Aldehydes or alkanals. The general formula is CnH2n plus 1 CHO. The name will be, we use word root for the number of carbon atoms, one carbon atom. So the word root will be meth. Then single bond is ane and Al is used for CHO group. So the name will be methanol. For 2 carbon atom compound, ethanol. For 3 carbon, propanol. And for 4 carbons, it's butanol. Common system, for 1 carbon atom compound, it is called formaldehyde. This one is called acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde, and butyraldehyde. Monocarboxylic acids or alkanoic acids, the general formula is RCOOH or CnH2n plus 1 COOH, and the secondary suffix used for COOH group is oic acid. For example, in this compound, the name will be for 1 carbon atom methanoic acid, for 2 ethanoic acid, for 3 propanoic acid, and for 4 carbon compound it will be called butanoic acid. In common system, because HCOOH is obtained from red ants, so it is formic acid based for red ants. Then acetic acid for 2 carbon compound, acid propionic acid, and N-butyric acid for 4 carbon compound. This is the common name. Acid chloride or alkanoyl chloride. The general formula is CnH2n plus 1 COCl. So 1 carbon compound will be called methane oil chloride. Oil chloride is the secondary suffix used for acid chlorides. This will be called ethanoyl chloride, propanoyl chloride, because total carbon atoms are 3. Then common name will be formyl chloride because it's derived from formic acid. Acetyl chloride for 2 carbon compound, and this will be called propionyl chloride. Acid amides or alkanamides, the general formula is CnH2n plus 1 CONH2, and the secondary suffix used for CONH2 group is amide. So 1 carbon compound will be called methanamide, 2 carbon ethanamide, and 3 carbon propanamide. and in common system formamide for 1 carbon compound, acetamide and propionamide, or alkyl alkanoates. So the general formula is RCOOR dash. So methyl methanoate. This will be methyl ethanoate, ethyl ethanoate. And in common system, this will be methyl formate, methyl acetate and ethyl acetate. Next is acid anhydrides. Acid anhydrides are formed when 2 acid molecules combine, eliminate 1 water molecule formed from ethanoic acid, that is 2 carbons on either side. Then the name will be ethanoic anhydride. One acid is ethanoic, the other one is propionic. So ethanoic, propanoic anhydride, and this will be called propanoic anhydride. In common system, it will be called acetic anhydride. This will be called acetic propionic anhydride, and this will be called propionic anhydride. Ketones, the general formula is RC double bond O R dash. The secondary suffix used for this C double bond O group is -one. 3 carbon atoms, so the name will be propane and -one for C double bond O group. This will be called butane 2-one. This will be called pentane 3-one. This is pentane 2-one. In common system, it is called dimethyl ketone. This will be called ethyl methyl ketone. This will be called diethyl ketone, and this will be called methyl propyl ketone. So amines are derived from ammonia. 1 hydrogen of ammonia is replaced by an alkyl group. If 1 alkyl group replaces 1 hydrogen, it's a primary amine. If 2 hydrogens are replaced, it's a secondary amine. And if 3 hydrogens are replaced, it's called a tertiary amine. So this will be called methanamine, ethanamine, propane 2-amine. This will be N-methyl methane. This will be N-ethyl ethanamine, and this compound will be N-methyl amine. The simpler group is used as prefix. This will be called N-ethyl N-methyl ethanamine. This will be called N-ethyl N-methyl propane amine. In common system, diethyl methylamine, and this compound will be called ethyl methyl N-propyl amine. Are nitroalkanes, nitromethane, nitroethane, nitropropane, 1 nitropropane and 2 nitropropane. There is no common system of naming for nitroalkanes. Ethyl nitrides, which are functional isomers of nitroalkanes, there is no IUPAC system of naming, only common system is used, and this compound will be methyl nitrite, ethyl nitrite, propyl nitrite, and this will be called isopropyl nitriles. In IUPAC system, we use the total number of carbon atoms as word root, and then we put the secondary suffix nitrile. So this will be called ethane nitrile, this will be called propane nitrile, and this one will be called butane nitrile. The common name will be methyl. In common name, the CN group is taken together, and the name will be methyl cyanide, ethyl cyanide, and propyl cyanide. In case of isocyanides, where the group is attached as NC to the alkyl group, the names are, the prefix iso is used, and there is common name for such compounds. There is no IUPAC name. So this will be called methyl isocyanide, and this will be called ethyl isocyanide. That's all in today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.